America, get ready, yeah, 'cause we're cooking with Sandy.
Do what you love in the kitchen. Get in there and be creative. I love being here at Mohegan Sun, folks. First Americans, and what a great place to do a cooking show, because here all ethnic cuisines are brought together, and that's what we're about.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Sandy and Jerry.
She got the greatest smile, not sometimes. To cook it up, I mean, that's my Sandy. America, cooking with her. I said now, you can't watch all the rest. She's just the best. That's you, girl.
Thank you, thank you. We are going to have so much fun today. And of course with Jerry, I just want to tell you a quick secret. His wife called me last night at 2 in the morning. She said, please, whatever you can do, don't send him back to New York until he knows how to use a dish towel. So that's all we have to do today, folks, is teach him.
I really am cooking challenged, I guess you could say. It's a problem, but you're going to help me out a little bit, right?
I'm going to try. I'm going to try.
All right.
This is my favorite dish, blossoms, zucchini flowerettes. Well, the order did not come in with the flowerettes. So we are going to improvise, and we're going to make something that I had thought of a long time ago. If you can't find flowerettes, use radicchio leaves, and it really, really works. You're going to have to take all of these leaves off. The easiest way to do this is cut this little, stem at the bottom off. You having a good time, Jerry?
Oh, this is great. I love this place.
Listen, we're going to be at the card table, so we hope to see some of you out there with us.
I'm feeling kind of lucky tonight, yeah. I'm feeling kind of lucky tonight.
So how are we doing? We're all winning?
We're all winning. We have Ponzi, the most amazing dealer.
Yes.
All right, take a hit. What's in the pasta chocolate? Ricotta or chocolate?
Ricotta.
You know where ricotta goes, right?
I do. That's how I keep this girlish figure, I keep saying.
I'm feeling kind of lucky tonight.
Here they come again, Sandy and Jerry.
Listen, what we're going to do now, it's a Southeast Asian shrimp dish. Very spicy. You can always cut back in spices. I just want to show you some of these shrimps here. These are like colossal jumbo. They're
Wow.
Jerry's.
Wow, that's jumbo.
They're Jerry's relatives.
All right.
No.
This is
I'm
getting
teasing.
a little out of hand here.
I'm
I have
teasing.
feelings too,
No.